aside. Hi everyone, today we are looking at a question like that. Marcus bought some books and files for a total of $192. So what we want to do is we want to write down that books plus files is equals to $192. Now, and then we know that two books and one file costs $11.20. So I'm just going to put 2B plus 1F is equals to $11.20. Once I'm done with this, I can move on to sentence number 3. All right, it says that each book costs 3 times as much as a file. So we have to write down one book costs 3 times 1, 2, 3, as you can see over here. And one file is actually this much. Okay, so since I have 2 books, what I'm going to do is I'm going to increase it to 6 units, all right? Because one book is equals to 3 units, so 2 books equals to 6 units, and file remains as that. All right, and over here, I know that this is $11.20. Now, over here, you can see that 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So 7 units is actually equals to $11.20. All right, we find Mr. Greenman. Mr. Greenman is equals to 1 unit. $11.20 divided by 7, we get to a beautiful answer of 160. And since I have Mr. Greenman, I can read the question. The question wants us to find the cost of one file. And as you can see over here, one file is actually equals to just 1 unit. And therefore, my answer for this question has to be $1.60. Okay, so we are going to move on to sentence number 2. Question number 2, part B. How many files did Marcus buy? So in the question, we saw that he bought 8 more books than files. Okay, so this is a very important information. Okay, we know that books purchased, okay, for books itself, it is actually 8 more than files. So we have 8 over here. And for files, it is actually this much. We do not know the price of the books, but we know the price of the files. And we can see that the book costs 3 times as much as a file. So we can find out the cost of one book. All right, so the cost of one book is simply just 160 times 3. And that gives me $4.80. All right, so that is the price of one book. And we can also find the price of one file. We know that it's 160. I'm just going to write it down over here. So, well, when you are faced with a question like that, the first thing you want to do is always to find out how much is this. Okay, I know this is 8 books, but you want to find out the value. All right, so 8 books itself, right, will now then be $4.80 times 8. I say that again, $4.80 times 8, and that gives you $38.40. Okay, so $38.40 is over here. All right, one thing for sure I know is that the total is actually equals to 192. Okay, so in order for me to solve a question like this, what I want to do is I want to remove the extra. Which is the extra? This is the extra. Right? Because the moment I remove that, then I have whatever that is over here and whatever that is over here, and they are the same, and I can do something about it. Right? In math, it is about making things the same. True? Yeah. So I'm going to remove the extra. So I'm going to write over here, remove extra. Okay, how do I remove extra? I just have to do 192 minus away $38.40. And I get to a beautiful answer of $153.60. Okay, so this is my extra. Okay, now what I'm going to do next is I'm going to count. Okay, I'm going to count what? I'm going to count one book and one file as a set. So we are going to say one set of B plus F is actually equals to $4.80 plus $1.60.
Wait.
Okay, we are going to use number of sets to solve this question. Okay, so 640. Why is it that I can do that? Because I know that, you know, this 153.60 is actually for one group of books and one group of files. You understand so far? So how many sets of B plus F can I get if I spend $153.60? So in order for me to find this question mark, I just have to do $153.60 divided by 640, and I get to 24 sets. Okay, of B plus F. Now, is the question asking us for books or files? The question is asking us for files. If one set I get one file and one book. 24 sets, I will have 24 books and 24 files. And therefore, this answer, the answer for this question has to be 24 files.